Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 4th, 2021, and here we are today. I'm going to come in and give you all a updated price prediction into the market for Moderna. You guys can tell from our last price prediction that the market maintained its strength, something that we did talk about on our last video, which was on July the 21st, 2021. I wanted everyone in our community to pay attention to how the market traded outside of all of this volume right here, okay? And you guys can see that even amidst all that volume that came into the market in Moderna, the price still went higher. So what that means is that, yeah, 2021 looked like it's going to be a phenomenal year for Moderna. And there's a couple of reasons that I've seen on the Motley Fool. I'm going to have the article linked to this video in the description. Just if you guys want to read it, I just wanted to give you all the information as to why they think the revenue growth in Moderna will continue. But from our perspective, the chart is all we need to understand what the market price is going to do into the future. Okay, so now before I break this down, before I break down our last price prediction, I want to make sure if you guys appreciate our content, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. If you want to learn more, again, you can join our community, or if you just want to ensure that you always are updated into what the market is anticipated to do, make sure you tap that bell notification as well, because one thing we will not do is we will not come through and try to prop up and pump up and hype up these stocks. If we see the opposite, we'll let everyone in our community know about it. All right, so now this is the article right here first. Okay, it was just posted yesterday. 3 reasons why Pfizer's and Moderna's vaccine revenue growth is just getting started. These are the 3 reasons right here. Pricing power, the first one, right? They increased their prices for their vaccines. Secondly, boosters are on the way. And then thirdly, the vaccine for kids. Okay, those are the 3 reasons why the revenue growth in Moderna is anticipated to grow. Just that easy, just that simple, right? So now let's talk about our last price for this, because I really wanted to show you all what we mentioned, because I definitely wanted you all to understand that I wasn't that weak in our last price prediction to the market in Moderna, right? We did start off kind of weak, $300. 280. I'm not necessarily sure why I stated we could go in terms of the market going lower in Moderna, but from the gate, for us to start July 21st, 2021, closing above this high volume day on the 20th of July, told us everything we really needed to know. Because I was watching the market. I told you all that this area, $318, $319 would be restriction into the market in Moderna. And take a look, the price was sustained above that level right here, right? July 22nd, we even came down on July 27th and bounced off that number again. That was support, right? So yeah, I don't like how the price prediction went for us in Moderna. We're going to be fully transparent, show you that we didn't get it right. The strength into Moderna is definitely still onto the table, right? So if we were to get out right now on the close of yesterday, we'll be down around 26% right there. But understandably, we understand and realize that we knew that the market in Moderna, as long as it maintained that strength, I'm not even sure on our video, I pinned it on the video to where we even mentioned that if the price is able to stay above $280, $300 or $280, $290, that the market strength is going to continue, and we will see all-time highs to the market in Moderna. That is actually how it panned out right there. Okay, so let me get rid of this. And again, the market strength here in Moderna is very strong. Like, this is a very strong market right now in Moderna. And one thing for us that we do not do is we don't rush into the market expecting to continue to see higher prices, right? We need to come through and allow this market to give us some weakness. Let him tell us how low he is willing to take this price before we jump back in and ride to higher movement. Now, congratulations to everyone in our community who is already in this play, because you guys have seen some very substantial gains. This is what it's all about. You guys have done an excellent job calling that, right? Because I know a lot of people really haven't been doing videos on YouTube explaining Moderna, but for those who already saw the vaccine and how much money that this particular company can make, you're actually seeing it come to fruition right now, especially with how strong this upward trend is into the market in Moderna. Okay, so with that being stated, with the anticipated revenue growth to continue in Pfizer and Moderna, I mean, naturally, what would you all expect? Yeah, price to continue to go higher throughout 2021, especially as these companies continue to increase their prices for the vaccines. And as long as they continue to make booster shots, this market will continue to make all-time highs, just like I told you on our last video. So one thing I want everyone to keep in mind is this $320 area. Okay, that is an area of support. And up here will be closer. Okay, like 350. So we got $320, $350 for us to see this market price in Moderna come down and grab support, right? I don't want anyone, if you're not already into the play, try to catch the market at all-time highs. That's the worst thing from our perspective that you can do, right? So if you're not into the play, like we're not, we'll just have to wait until we get the next move to the downside and see how low the market will go before we jump into the space, because this market is extremely strong in Moderna. And this is just something that you don't want to do, is when you see a slope this strong, it cannot go into the future like that forever, right? You would expect us to break it. So that's what I'm waiting for into the market in Moderna, is for it to break that trend, break this massive ascending line, and show me where he's willing to prop up the market before he takes it up higher. Okay, right there. So right now, I'm not going to put a price prediction on this chart, but throughout 2021, yeah, I'm still expecting this market in Moderna to continue to give us some higher price movement, right? I'm going to keep this line here though, because I am tracking the market in Moderna right now. And as long as this market continues to give us some support around, what was those areas? 350 first, and then the next one was 320. Yeah, in between 350 and $320 into the market in Moderna. Okay, I'll be on the lookout for. And that's it. So again, I'm still expecting the market price in Moderna to go higher, but I'm going to wait before I come in and drop a price prediction on this particular stock, because I want us to get in at a pretty good anticipatory price so we can ride it higher throughout the rest of 2021. Okay, so if you're already into the play, if you guys are already in position, let us know. Let us know where you're at. Let us know how much profit you have already garnered from this particular play in the market in Moderna, and tell us how high you think the market is going to go. Because on our last video, many people are looking for the price in Moderna to hit $400. And if we were to hit $400, which is not far, that's only about another 3.5%, right? 3.5%. We got earnings coming up right there on August the 5th, which is this week. Can we top out at $400 and then we'll see the weakness start in? It's possible, especially off this earnings report. Like, the trap will play on that. And I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market actually dip on this earnings report right here, because we've been in such a sustained upward move for a long time. And now the market will have to take a break, and he will use this earnings report to create that break. Just saying. So we're going to sit the sideline. I'm going to hold this here though. I'm going to watch the market there. And once we get a newest updated confirmation that he's willing to hold support at a certain price, we'll come back in and do a price prediction. All right, so now that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.